Meanwhile, Clarendon College are celebrating their capture of this season's ISA Ben Francis Cup knockout title, following their 2-1 win over Cornwall College in Saturday's final at the National Stadium. Nayar Anderson put Clarendon College in front in the 10th minute. 5 minutes later, Cornwall College were on level terms, courtesy of Mekai Foster. Nikolai Forbes scored the winner in the 73rd minute as Clarendon College secured their 5th hold on the title. Head coach of the Clarendon College team, Devon Anderson, said he was pleased with his team's display.
I am not very expressive in terms of, jumping up all over the place, but deep down, I have a good feeling inside of me. It's not so keen yet, put it this way. But nevertheless, I'm happy for the kids. I'm happy to be a part of this journey. Started July and the pandemic came in. We hope and we pray that the competition resume. It did. We start shaky, but nevertheless, we pick up back from where we left off. And, today you can see the end results of it.
Head coach of Cornwall College, Hector Wright, said they had a better showing in the second half of the contest.
I'm very proud of the guys. We know Melissa came and threw off everything, but we came back into training. It was kind of tough, getting the guys back in training. I think they came in after a while and they did well. We just have to we understand that two teams in the final, one will win. I think we didn't come prepared today, to be honest, in terms of how we played the game. And Clarendon looked like they wanted it more than us, and as a result, you see what happened.